Hi friends, welcome back. Let us see another problem, how to solve the simplification of Boolean expression using Quinn-Maklinsky method, that is a QM method, and that's another problem we have. And we have arranged them the sorted list such that each group consists of equal number of ones. So first group zero number of ones, second group single ones, third group two ones, fourth group three ones, and finally four ones. Then our next step is to find the pairs. So compare between these two groups. So we get 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0 dash. Then we get 0, 2, 0, 0 dash 0 and 0, 4, 0 dash 0, 0. That is confirm. So 0 is used, 1 is used, 2 is used, and finally 4 is used. Now between these two groups 1 and 3, yes, it is possible, and it is 0 0 dash 1. So 3 is used. 1 and 5, yes, it is possible, and this is 0 dash 0 1. 5 is also used. Then coming to 2, 2 and 3 is possible, and that is 0 0 1 dash. And 2 and 5 is not possible. 4 and 3 not possible. 4 and 5 possible, and this is 0 1 0 dash. And that's it in this group. Now looking at this group 3 and 7, yes, it is possible. 0 dash 1 1, 7 is used. Then 3 and 11, yes, it is possible, and this is dash 0 1 1. 11 is used. Then 3 and 14 not possible. 5 and 7 is possible, and that is 0 1 dash 1. And 5 and 11 not possible. 5 and 14 not possible. So that's it between these two groups. So finally these two groups 715 is possible, dash 111. Then 1115 is possible, 1 dash 11. And finally 1415 is possible, 111 dash. So all are used. Now coming to the next step. Now comparing between these two groups. So the simplest way is identify the position of dash and see a similar position dash is available in the other group, and then compare how many are common. If only one is changing, then yes, you can combine them. So we have a dash in the last position, no, no, yes. And these two, if you try, then yes, third position is changing, others are same. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is 0, 0, dash, dash. So this is used, this is used. So anything with the last dash, yes, we have 0, 1, 4, 5, and that says 0 dash 0 dash. So 0 1 is used, 4 5 is used. Okay, next third position dash, yes, we have 0 2 1 3. 0 2 1 3 is same with a different combination we have already used. 0 1 2 3 is nothing but 0 2 1 3. You are going to get 0 0 dash dash only. So that's it. So any third position dash, no. Second position dash we have here 0415. 0415 is already done. This we have already written. So that's it between the first two groups. Now between second and third group, if you look at it, third position dash, we have third position dash, and here yes possible. So 1 3 and it is 5 7, 1 3 5 7 says 0 dash dash 1. So 1 3 is used, 5 7 is used. On the same grounds 1 5 3 7 also should work. 1 5 3 7 also should get us same thing done. Then so third position dash, it's only one. Second position dash, that's the one we have already done. Then last position dash we don't have, last position dash we don't have. So that's it for this combination. Now between these two, if you look at it, then this is second position dash we have here, and this 3 7 11 15 is possible, and 3 7 11 15, what is common? So third, so only first one is changing, so it is dash dash 1 1. So 3 7 is used, 11 15 is used. So no other second dash. First position dash, yes it is, and this is 3 11 7 15. So it is same combination as this. So 3 11 7 15 also gets us same thing. And then third position dash we don't have. So that's it. Hope so. Okay. Now between these two groups, last two dash we don't have, second and fourth dash we don't have. So nothing is possible between these two, and between these two nothing is possible. So finally what we have is, this is one term, this is second term, this is third term, and this is fourth term. And if you look at here, this was still unused, so this was not touched, right? So what does it say? It say that the function looks like a bar, b bar, then this is a bar, c bar, then this is a bar, d, and then this is c, d, and finally this is a, b, c. So we have a bar, b bar, we have a bar, c bar, and then we have a bar, d bar, and we have cd, and we have a, b, c. So is this right? So let me verify using Kmap. Think something is going wrong. So let me check what is going wrong. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 6, this is 7, then we have 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15. So what do you think we can use? Yes, I can see one here, done. Then I can see one here, done. Then I can see one here, done. Then I can see one here. Okay, for things I hope it is sufficient. So for these four they squared, for these four acquired, for these four acquired. For this we don't find any quad, therefore it has to be a pair. Is it so? So what does this say? W1 said AB is common here, and between these two C is common. Done. And what this red one says, AB are changing, only CD as common. Done. Then what this pink one says, it is A bar, B bar, and what this orange one says, here it is A bar, here it is C bar. So we get A bar, B bar, we get A bar, C bar, we get CD, we get ABC, but one term extra we got, and that extra was just because we tried to take this extra. If you can look at it, there's one more quad hidden inside, but this quad is a redundant quad because these two are already part of this quad, and this one is part of this squad, or this squad, this one is part of this squad, and hence so this squad is actually not required, but here we are getting that quad also. Yes, we need some additional work to make sure that such redundant terms should be avoided, and for that one extra step we need to do is just make sure that all the mean terms are covered by your expressions. So what are the mean terms we have? Let me first use put them in the list. So let's prepare a table: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11, 14, and finally 15. Done. Now what are the terms you have? We have A bar, B bar, we have A bar, C bar, we have A bar, D, we have CD, and we have ABC. These are the 5 terms we get from our QM method. So this is our first term, this is our second term, this is our third term, this is our fourth term, and this finally fifth term. So what is it trying to say is we need to see that minimum number of terms should be used so that each of the min term gets covered. So how it is done? Just look at what each term is covering which min terms. Okay, A bar, B bar. Where did you get A bar, B bar? A bar, B bar we got from this 0, 1, 2, 3. So just mark 0, 1, 2, 3. So this A bar B bar we got from 0 1 2 3 combination. Okay, next A bar C bar we get from 0 1 4 5 combination. 0 1 4 5 combination. Done. Then A bar D we get from 1 3 5 7 combination. So A bar D we get from 1 3 5 7 combination, and this CD we get from 3 7. This is 3, this is 7, this is 11, and this is 15. And ABC we get from this, that is 14 and 15. So one thing what you can do is the simplest thing, look column wise and see any single tick mark is there in the column, which means 0. It has got 2 tick marks. 1 has 3 tick marks. 2 has a single one. That means if you want to have minterm 2, then this has to be there. Therefore, for minterm 2, A bar B bar has to be used. For minterm 2, A bar B bar has to be used. Okay, let me check. So minterm 4 also having a single entry. So A bar C bar is a must. Minterm 5 two terms are there, minterm 7 two are there, minterm 11 again there is single entry, that means CD is compulsorily required, and hence for 14 also this ABC is compulsorily required. So that's our first step we do, and then next let us see if I use A bar B bar, because that I have to use using because of minterm 2, so I am using A bar B bar. If I use A bar B bar, what all I am covering? I am covering 0, I am covering 1, I am covering 2, I am covering 3, I am covering, that's it. Then second it says A bar C bar is also essential, so which says 0 covered, 1 covered, 4 is covered, 5 is covered. Done. Then CD 3 is covered, 7 gets covered, 11 gets covered. Then you say ABC. With ABC 14 gets covered, 15 gets covered, and just look, anything is left? Nothing is left. That means using only these four, I can assure that all the minterms are covered, which only indicates that this is a redundant term. So that's a redundant term. So we can neglect this one and finally say that A bar B bar or A bar C bar or CD or ABC is our final expression as we can get it from our K-map. So this last step we need to ensure what all minterms are there and what all minimized terms are there, and see what are the minimum number of terms are required to ensure that all minterms get covered. So make sure to use minimum number of terms, so that will confirm that no redundant terms like this enter into your final expression, because all this circus we are doing is to minimize the expression, and if you add one extra term, then the whole goal of minimization fails. Therefore, this is a last step we need to look at and confirm what all terms are essentially required and what all terms, though we get here, are redundant. So that's it for QM method, and many more thing to come up. So till then, take care, see you, bye.